Okay, so wedging is a way to get air out of your clay. So right now I took this clay from the back in the bags, everything like that we see back there. And all that clay has just been kind of lumped together, right? There probably are going to be air pockets in the clay. And what happens in the kiln is if we have an air pocket in your project, then when it's heated up, it kind of gets stuck in that little area and it has nowhere to go. So it expands and breaks your piece. So that's why we want to really wedge the clay. If it's directly out of the bags that I have in these boxes, you don't have to worry about it. But if it's in those bags that I have in the back of the room, that's when you need to use it to wedge the clay. So, wedging the clay, we want to first start by making it into a cube. Some of you guys can do it easier than others, but what I do is I just kind of hit it on all four sides, and then I focus on the two sides that I kind of forgot about. Okay? So then you just kind of hit that into a cube. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at the side that is closest to you, right here, and you're going to kind of roll that upwards so it's facing up, okay? And you're going to take the palms of your hand, kind of that more meaty part of it, and you're going to place them right on the corners. Make almost like a little tent, okay? So then what you're going to do is you want to keep your hands cupped. You don't want them flat. You're going to keep them cupped, and you're going to press down and forward, okay? So the first thing should look like that. All right. So then once you've pressed it down and forward, you're going to roll it back up, put your hands on the top, down and forward. Okay, you can see it's starting to kind of look like a face. Some of this call it a monkey face. All right, whatever you want to call it is fine. All right, but we're just going to keep doing this. So down and forward, roll it back up, down and forward, down and forward. And you're going to do this about 10 times. Okay, so every time you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and you're going to notice that you can see all these layers as it's kind of layering on top of itself. And you're going to see on the side that it's starting to spiral. Okay? Once we get it about here, you're not going to press as hard. You're just going to kind of roll it a little bit to kind of get it back in this oval shape. And then you'll hit it back into a cube. You're going to repeat this 2 more times, which means you're going to be wedging it a total of 30 times. Then we're going to start it over again. At this point, again, we see the little face in here, okay? And then you're just going to lightly roll it again. One more time, okay? Hit it into that cube. Okay, and you'll do it for a 3rd time. Now, just for the sake of the demonstration, I'm not going to do it that 3rd time. But at this point, all the air should be out of it. Now, it is very common, the first couple times you do it until you get the hang of it, to accidentally add air back into it. All right, so just be aware of that.